A snap, explained. Hello dear learners. Today, we're diving into a fun and commonly used English phrase, a snap. Have you heard it before? By the end of this video, not only will you know what it means, but you'll also be able to use it confidently in your conversations. First, let's talk about the word snap on its own. In English, a snap can be the sound made when something breaks quickly or when we close something swiftly. Think of the sound when you quickly break a pencil or when you snap your fingers. When English speakers say something is a snap, they don't usually refer to the actual sound. Instead, it's a colloquial phrase meaning that something is very easy or simple to do. For example, if someone says, "Learning to ride a bicycle was a snap for me," they mean that learning to ride a bicycle was very easy for them. Let's look at a few examples to see how you can use this phrase. 1. Don't worry about the test. It's going to be a snap. 2. Fixing the computer? Oh, it was a snap. 3. I thought cooking this recipe would be hard, but it was actually a snap. These examples show that the phrase can be used in various contexts, always indicating that something is not as difficult as it might seem. When using a snap, be careful not to confuse it with other phrases or idioms that might sound similar. For instance, snapping at someone means to speak to them sharply or impatiently, which is a completely different meaning. So, remember, a snap equals easy or simple. There you have it. Now you know what the phrase, a snap, means and how to use it in your conversations. English is full of such interesting idioms, and mastering them will make your language richer and more vibrant. We hope this video has been helpful, and remember, learning English can be a snap with the right attitude and resources. Happy learning!